Welcome back to OpenLine. Interesting discussion about criminal justice reform in Davidson County and really across the entire country. Hedy Weinberg with the ACLU is here. All right, several comments on Facebook. I'm going to read them. We're going to go back to the phones. Michelle Eddings Lane says that maybe they should not do the crime. Crime should not be so easy. Then Don Ford says the whole justice system is nothing more than a money racket to take all your money, no matter what the arrest is for. And Judy Catalano Hayes said, my sister got help when she served 1129 in Sumner County, got all kind of help mentally and spiritually. It changed her life, and she does not want to go back there. So a wide range of comments there on Facebook, as we're also seeing here in the calls. Let's go to the phones. David, hello, David. David, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Good, good. Go right ahead.
Yeah, my question is concerning the bill that was passed in the legislature last year, Senate Bill 221, that deals with probation and parolees that have been sent back to prison even though their charges were dismissed, and the parole boards are not following the law by allowing these guys back out. Could you please comment on that for me? Thank you.
Do you know about this?
I'm sorry, I don't know about that. Was it a bill pending, or did it actually become law?
It became law April 24th of 2017.
Okay, I will look for it. I will tell you that, gosh, probably at least 40% more of folks who return to prison are because they're violated, because of technical violations, right? So that's a big problem. You know, and because they've done something that violates their parole or probation, they end up back in jail or prison, and that can be problematic when they are offenses that are just technical and not something that otherwise would be considered criminal. So I don't know what this new law is that you're suggesting, but I'll certainly look at it.
Let's go to another David. Hello, David.
Hey.
Go right ahead.
Okay, how about the last thing first? Number one, or the last thing first, the state of Tennessee does not run voter registration information through the FBI database. No county in this state. So the dead can vote, convicted criminals can vote. There's nothing stopping anybody. And another thing, 40 years ago I was falsely arrested for a crime I did not commit because of your time constraints. Hedy, why don't you listen to Ask the Attorney, August 2015, and I'm David, the last caller, and you'll hear my voice, and I'll tell what destroyed my life. The criminal justice system for the last 70 or 80 years is set up to destroy your future and give criminal court officers perpetual job security and wealth security. And anyone that doubts this, you look at the person that had me falsely arrested and the person that actually repossessed a set of wheels. I obeyed the laws of this land, spent 27 years forcibly unemployed, whereas McKinney, son of McKinney Law Firm, he was a career criminal in and out of jail. All
right, let's talk about some of what you're saying there. He's, again, saying the criminal justice system is set up to keep certain people in power and money involved.
So there's some exciting things happening at the legislature, and this is a good opportunity to share. There's a bill called the Fresh Start Bill, and it's moving through committee, and it deals with ensuring that right now there's a law that really prohibits convicted felons from being able to get certain professional occupational licenses. And so this bill would change that and allow individuals to apply for those professional occupational licenses, and really that they could only be denied if the profession they were interested in being licensed for was related to the crime they had committed and been convicted of. So it's an opportunity to re-engage people, to give them a second chance. And I think I'm hoping that's in part what you're talking about, which is to ensure that when people leave prison or their cases have been dismissed, that they are able to find the opportunities to allow them to either integrate or reintegrate back into the community. And that's really important. The same thing is going on right now. There's a bill pending that the Tennessee Coalition on Sensible Justice is behind, which is to hopefully offer an opportunity for local probation offices and local sheriffs to compete to apply for monies to create pilot projects that would provide substance abuse treatment programs or workforce development programs, so that the folks in jail or on probation will have opportunities to enjoy those services and build skills that they can use when they return to the community.
This is one of those just big issues now. Criminal justice reform encompasses so much. I mean, we focused a lot on bail tonight that people can't afford and